Hey there. So welcome back to That's That Magic TV. It's Alicia here, and I'm going to give you a quick video on, I just worked out so I'm all glistening, but I'm going to give you a quick video on how to exfoliate with That's That Magic and baking soda to get glowing skin. So first I'm going to put my hair back. My scarf is from Beatrice Treats. So I need to grab my bar of soap. So I'm gonna exfoliate before I wash my face. I like to exfoliate like once a week. Basically, today I'm exfoliating because I wore makeup yesterday and I don't wear makeup often. So when I do, I like to make sure it's all cleaned off just to avoid like any breakouts, any funky stuff on my skin. So just to give you a quick view of my skin. And so here we go. You're gonna get your white towel. I like to use cold water. So some cold water, fill the sink, and so you're gonna take your baking soda, and then pour a little in your hand. So basically for your baking soda, you're gonna wanna put, how much I have, you're gonna wanna put the amount, so the abrasiveness that you like. So I don't like it really abrasive, so I just put a little bit. And then we're going to do a few pumps of magic. And then we're just going to create a paste. And so I like my paste to be a little less abrasive. So I'm going to add a little more magic. Right? And then see, so where it's like kind of creamy. And then, I'm going to turn my water off here. We're going to take, today I'm going to use lemon essential oil. So when I have a breakout, I use tea tree essential oil. So today, just because I want like more of a glow, I'm going to use lemon essential oil. And then I'm going to put in the link in the video below, I'm going to put links to the items that I'm using. So just a little bit of lemon essential oil too. And then we're going to take it and we're just going to get in there. It smells so yummy, like the combination of That's That Magic with the lemon essential oil smells so good. So, and then we're just gonna get in there and just, and you have to do what works for you. This is the technique that I use. You're gonna have to choose, like, as far as like motion and even like your pace, you have to do what's best for you. So this is what I like to do. Okay, and then I'm going to take my towel and just rinse it off. So again, like I said, I wore makeup yesterday, and that's why I wanted to do this, because I feel like when you wear makeup, you need to get like, do like a deep clean, you know? This is for me. Everyone's different. So you can see it's all cleaned off. And just so you can see my towel, right? I washed my face last night before I went to bed. So that's why I wanted to do the deep clean. And so now I'm gonna take my soap. I forget who this soap is by, but it's like a turmeric lemon bar. I will put the link again in the description of this video. So I just gonna take it. Just to do a cleanse, and then I don't put the paste in my eyes, so I'm gonna go over my eyes just to get off any eye makeup that may be on there. And as you can see, I did have on eye makeup still. So yeah, so that's just a quick video on how to exfoliate with That's That Magic, just to give you like a skin glow, you know, to remove any dead skin. You can see my skin. So now I'm going to actually put some toner and moisturizer. So I hope this video helps. I'm gonna put a description of all the products used in my link in the bio. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you need, again, like and subscribe for more skin tips, more ways to use That's That Magic. So love ya. Bye. Oh yeah, and just one more thing. I'm just gonna show you my water just so you can see. So even though I washed my face before bed last night, I just want you to see how dirty the water was. So it's so important to exfoliate and cleanse your skin just to avoid acne, to avoid, you know, junk on your face, right? So again, I'm gonna show you my skin. My face is dry. So yeah, again, thanks for watching. All right, here goes the water.